Today we will learn how a maintenance work order is created in our company. Let's start. Company name, address, phone number, maintenance work order, control E, center, click here, insert, click table, insert table, columns 2 and number of row 4, press enter, width 1 and press. Type here then leave a line for the work description below. 2. 1 row, 2 column. Type here, press insert, click table, 2 by 2, click insert table, click insert table here. Number of column 5, column, rows 14, press enter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we will change the color of this line to black. First of all, merge cell, click home, click here, and color is black. Now we will also color black here. Now look, page border and shading, click here, click page border, art, and select one style for page border. Okay. Our maintenance work order is now completed. Apart from this, there are many other papers, designs. You can create any other designs by looking at this.